I just got my new OPPSDECOR all-in-one home gym bench. And today I'm going to unbox and assemble it from scratch. Let's start with the unboxing. Everything is packed really carefully. You get a heavy-duty alloy steel frame, adjustable backrest leg support system, preacher pad, and multiple attachments for a full body workout setup. All parts are clearly labeled, and the quality feels really solid right away. Now I'm assembling it by myself. First, I build the main base frame. This is what keeps everything stable. Then I install the upright rack for support. Next, I attach the adjustable backrest. Which lets you change positions easily for different workouts. After that, I add the leg system and preacher pad. They are removable, so you can switch between exercises quickly. Then I install the attachments for upper body training. Everything is adjustable and very compact, which makes it perfect for a home gym. Assembly takes around 30 minutes and it's ready. Welcome to our home gym. Today I'm training together with my husband, and we're using just this bench and one kettlebell. We're working out one by one, taking turns. My husband starts first and goes through his workout routine on the bench using the kettlebell. Then it's my turn. I do my full body routine using the same setup. We keep switching between sets, sharing the equipment without rushing. What I love is that even with just one bench and one kettlebell, we can both get a complete workout. It feels like a full gym at home.